In 6 minutes, I'm going to show you how to make this Robo style by yourself. In other words, Bantu Knot style. Hello, my name is Glo-Mary and I talk about everything beauty. Welcome to this community. If you're a beauty enthusiast or a beauty consumer, kindly join us. We are very lovely people. We want you to join us, so please subscribe or subscribe. To achieve this hairstyle, you need just two materials. I'm going to be using this series from Expression and this rubber band. It's not expensive, you can get it less than 2,000 naira. You should be able to do this hairstyle. When you want to do this hairstyle, you know you have to part your hairs anyway. So, and I've always emphasized the fact that don't brush your hair dry. It's either you use water or you use a leave-in conditioner. I think I'm getting used to water, or let's just say that is what I have. That is why you always see me using water. So maybe whenever I have more money, I'm going to be using air conditioner. All right, so you need this rubber band just to secure your hair at the roots, because we are still going to be using that place, so we need it to be well secured and firm. Once that is done, you pick just a bit of that series. I have cut it into like 4. Sure, I want you to pay attention to how I am handling this crochet pin. Make sure that it is closed when you are trying to put it inside your hair, and then you open the pin. The pin has a cover. You can close and open the pin. So when you want to put it inside the hair, you close the pin, and when you want to really do the crochet, you open the pin. When you want to like take it back inside your hair, close the pin. That is how you avoid pain, and that is how you avoid breakage. Once you're able to get the hair through to the other side, you just couple it with your natural hair, and then let it blend, and then you pick another piece of rubber band to secure it at the tip, just like I am doing, and then watch and see the magic. The magic is here. The magic is almost here. The Robo is coming, and the Robo is here. So basically, you just pull that inside, you shape it with your hand, and there you have it. So wait, don't go yet. There's something that is very important when you are doing this that I want to show you almost at the end of this video. So even if you don't want to watch this video to the end, watch it to almost the end so that I can get what I want to show you. Parting this hair is very important. I mean, you have to like have like a almost clean pattern so that people will not start asking you what happened to you now, why are you now like this. So at least, even if you can't get a very clear or clean pattern, try as much as possible to make it almost clean. Now, to add a twist to this hairstyle, we are going to be doing a braid. So guys, when I wanted to do this braid, I was quite skeptical because I'm like, I used to braid my hair backwards, so I don't know if my hand will be able to like twist it, be able to twist so that I can, braid it forward. This was some kind of miracle for it to happen this way. I mean, like if I'm doing a demole, if I'm doing, all this traditional cornrow from the back, I can do it easily like that. But braiding like a normal cornrow, a normal weaving, I didn't know I could. So I was using just little bits of this series to braid the hair to give my hair more volume and length. You see, there's something about Bantu Knot hair. Bantu Knot is so versatile. Like, you guys know I love Bantu Knot, right? But like, I just start to discover that there's just so much you can do with Bantu Knots. You can do it with just your hair. You can add extensions. You can add curls. You can do like a, knot and twist, all those, like it's just everything is just coming to my brain at once right now, like this. Oh, so yeah, here's the thing I want to show you. When I want to do this front part, you can see how I'm pulling my hair to the back. I want to achieve that brush look. When we do like this threading hairstyle and they say, oh, please help her put brush in the front when we go to our hairdresser's place. So that brush idea, that's what I want to achieve there, so that this style can look like more mature. I could have pulled it to the front of my forehead or like at the center. It will still be nice, but I just want this. So just in case you want to achieve that exact look, I'm telling you that don't forget this tiny detail. Okay, if you want to leave now, you can leave, but I'm telling you there is more at the end of this video. this is the time to drop a like. That like button is there so that you can use it. Okay, it is there so that you can use it. Before I open my eyes and close it, oh yeah, like that video right now. That is an order, that is a command. Okay, please, I'm just begging you, don't mind my sharp mouth. Please just like this video and share with your fellow sisters who has natural hair, or even if they don't have natural hair and they're just looking for things to do with their hair. Please share my channel with them. That is how we grow in this community, my love. You see, I'm already using my love for you. So please drop a comment. I really want to hear from you. So the next thing, of course, we have to accessorize. So I'm going to be using this bead, nothing much, just to make it look, notice me, I'm around, that kind of thing. You get, just to grab attention. It's a secret, okay? We only keep that secret in this community, so subscribe. So in this community, we do this thing where we share a Bible verse in every of our long form video to encourage each other. So guys, here is the verse of the day. And yeah, here is the reward of your labor. This is the final look, guys. Thank you for watching to this point. Let me tell you something. When I entered the market with this hairstyle, everyone were just looking at me, complimenting my hairstyle, plus the way the earring even goes with the hairstyle. It was so nice. I felt like a goddess, guys. It looks nice in the video, I know, but it looks better in real life. But there's even one hairstyle I like better than this. It's this one on your screen. Let me see you in that one.